Yeah, so this is an awesome journey. 6 days of journey, like you guys said. We can't imagine 6 days is over. Even I'm not sure whether 6 days are over or not. So that the credit goes to all of you also. You kept me so engaged. You were as immersed as I was, and I was as immersed as you were. So I think we were in a bubble for these 6 days, and I think that has its own quality. This course is like that, very immersive, very intense. It's meant to be. It's designed to be like that. So I'm happy that there are 9 or 8 more client-centric bachelor therapists who are going to add to another 50 of them, 150 of them who are already waiting for you to join that group. And there's a lot of good work for you to do, not just in terms of mental and emotional health, but physical health also, because today bachelor is also becoming popular in terms of healing physical symptoms of mental and emotional conditions. So I'm wishing you all the best. This is the beginning of a journey. This is not the end of a journey. After this, you will go through the certification process, which will actually nail all the learning. You will apply the learning with live cases, and thereby you will get certified. You will bring it for review and evaluation, and finally, you will get certified. And then the journey goes on. As a matter of fact, today I was looking at the support group of 150 therapists. There's so many of them, trust me, who I have not kept in touch with over so many months. And they have grown phenomenally. When I look at some of the recommendations they give in the group to certain cases, I said, my God, this is how the person came when this course started. And this is where the person is. So the credit goes to the individual. I can hold your hand, I can show you the door, I can make you walk through the door. But the rest of the journey, you have to make it. As I said, I'm always there to hold your hand whenever you want me to hold your hand. And yeah, so with that, I request all of you to uh, bring in your bit, your sharing of experience. How was it these last 6 days? If you have any message for the world, if you can leave it for them, whatever you, please go ahead.
Should I start?
Yeah.
सर आई एम रियली वेरी मच थैंकफुल कि मैंने ये कोर्स ज्वाइन किया और मैंने ये पहले भी सीखा है और मैं 6 महीने से सीख रहा था, पर जिस तरह से आपने यहाँ पे जो क्लैरिटी दी है, जो सिखाया है, तो उससे मुझे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है कि अब मैं कहीं पे भी बाहर जाके भी किसी को भी ठीक कर सकता हूँ। सबसे पहले तो मैं अपने आप को ठीक कर सकता हूँ। तो सर आई एम वेरी मच थैंकफुल सर आपको। और आप इतने सहज और सिंपल पर्सन हैं कि उसमें पूरी क्लास अपने आप ही ओपन हो जाती है और बिल्कुल बिल्कुल इजी तरीके से हम ये सीख पाते हैं। थैंक यू सर।
माय प्लेजर कमलेश, विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। आप जर्नी आगे बढ़ाइए, हम हैं साथ में।
थैंक यू सर।
Sir, I'm a pretty newbie to this world of healing, but nonetheless, your way of teaching is very methodical, very structured, and every day has been kind of baked in with a certain purpose in mind so that the entire process becomes much simpler. So that was very appealing for me for this entire curriculum. And it's just a start for me. Like everybody's experienced here, but I'm a newbie. But nonetheless, because of your way of teaching and the documents that you've given, and all the learnings that we have done in the 6 days, the process has started for me. Now I'm much more interested to learn more about it, to read about it, And I'm sure once we are aligned to the respective groups, we'll have those interactions where we can make it a very, very enriching session.
Yes.
So thank you so much. Immense gratitude for all your time and all the teachings. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Preeti. Just to let you know that newbies always stand an advantage. They learn from the scratch and they move very fast. There is no unlearning involved.
That's
So
true.
God bless you, and I know you're going to do extremely well.
Thank you.
Extremely well on yourself as well as on the clients that you get on to heal.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I think your course with this client-centric, it's true to its meaning, because when it started, you never introduced the remedies, Let's start with the remedies. It was more about knowing the client. And I think that's the right approach, first of all, to understand the client rather than understanding the remedies. And this was a complete new insight for me, that how to go about it. To this why, 5 whys, it's not easy, let me tell you. It's not easy to reach those whys.
Yeah.
I think I still need to learn that. And once you reach there, and then that's your shot, that the person can be healed completely. So really so thankful to you, sir, for your guidance, for your knowledge and everything. Thank you, sir.
My pleasure, Aarti. It was wonderful having you with us.
Thank you, sir. I know that was last Saturday or last Sunday when I called you randomly at 8:30, and the way you let me in this batch, thank you so much for that. The dramatic entry, and I had read Batch Flowers long back, but the way you have taught, I think now we are more confident to work, to really go ahead with it. Your approach, and you made things so crystal clear and so easy that I think it is we can take it forward very well. Thank you so much for every little bit, right? Starting from the intent till the way to take care with the client. It was amazing. All 6 days went by like this. We did not know. And I was still hoping that we'll have 6 more days to be with you. Thank you so much. It was an amazing learning journey. Thank you.
My pleasure, Sangeeta. Wonderful having you. I still remember that evening when you called me up, and I think it was you were responding to a higher call, and we are all responding to that. I'm also doing that. And I'm sure we are going to be led on a beautiful, glorious path of
Certainly, sir.
healing. Yeah.
Certainly, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
So first of all, thank you so much for serving everything in a platter very nicely, one after the other. Whatever I had known about Batch Flower was listen to the client's expression, observe, but I had not known about these whys which you brought out, and that has been really amazing, wonderful learning. And that has given me a little more confidence in doing it. And thanks again, once again, immense gratitude. The way you have structured your material is awesome. And as I said in the beginning, I felt that today is day 2, and I know I'm going to miss this again tomorrow. I'll feel, oh, it's now time for my Batch Flower class, but alas, it's not going to be there tomorrow. But anyhow, since you're going to include us into another group, I think we will have a more interactive session, and I think the learning will go on. And as you said, the learning is lifelong. That's very true. And thank you once again, sir. Thanks.
My pleasure.
So much.
My pleasure, Hema. I'm good that you finally joined.
Yeah.
Hema was, she had a lot of other issues. She was not sure, but when she joined, I could make out her intent. But I was only praying that she gets over the difficulties and finally gets to join. And here she is.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
हेलो सर,
Yeah. बोलिए अर्पिता जी.
पहले तो मैं आपको थैंक्स बोलना चाहूंगी क्योंकि मैं टोटली बिगिनर ही हूँ. मुझे बैचलर के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता था. पहले मैं श्योर भी नहीं थी कि क्लास ज्वाइन करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, बट आपसे बात करने के बाद में मुझे लगा कि नहीं, मुझे क्लास ज्वाइन करना ही चाहिए. और मेरी क्लास ज्वाइन करने के लिए कुछ डिफिकल्टीज भी थी जो मैंने आपको बताई, बट आपसे बात करने के बाद में मतलब मुझे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस हुआ कि मुझे कुछ भी करके ये क्लास ज्वाइन करना ही है. और जब क्लास स्टार्ट हुआ तो मैं श्योर नहीं थी क्योंकि ये टोटली नया सब्जेक्ट था. तो मैं श्योर नहीं थी कि मैं मैं सीख पाऊंगी, हील कर पाऊंगी या नहीं. बट अभी इन इतने दिनों के बाद में आपने जिस तरह से पूरे सिस्टमेटिकली स्ट्रक्चर के थ्रू समझा है, तो अभी मैं ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ कि मैं खुद को हील कर पाऊंगी, दूसरों को भी हेल्प कर पाऊंगी. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर. मतलब और ये हमारी छोटी सी फैमिली ही बन गई है. तो मैं कल डेली मैं क्लास के लिए वेट ही करती थी कि कब 6 बज जाए और मैं सबके साथ कनेक्ट करूं. तो मैं कल ये बात बहुत ज्यादा मिस करने वाली हूँ.
आपको बड़ी फैमिली में डाल दूंगा, फिर उनके साथ भी ऐसी बातचीत चलती रहेगी. कभी अगर मौका मिलेगा तो हम लोग फिर वीडियो में एक साथ आ जाएंगे. 150 तो शायद नहीं आएंगे, बट जितने आ जाए. वी विल डू अ गेट टुगेदर. अर्पिता के नाम एक गेट टुगेदर कर लेंगे हम लोग कभी.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
चलिए.
It's been such a wonderful journey. I did not know that there is so deep learning in Bashfla. I used to think this is just a bottle or इसमें कुछ मिला करके you just feel some days. And you have been such a wonderful sir. You know, as a teacher also I'm flawed. As a therapist also, everything is in your tips. And when you teach, you know your matter. You know how to organize it in 2 hours, and it is so enjoyable for us. And I can see that we are just seeing a tip of you right now, like the iceberg. There's so much deep within. ऐसा मन करता था सर कि आप बस बोलते रहे और हम सुनते रहे. I used to feel कि first 2 days were just like that only. We were just knowing each other, and I was just okay, knowledge है. But after that, when we came to therapy sessions and all, आपकी तो सब tips में था, and I was floored by your knowledge. मतलब मुझे मन करता था कि सर ये कराते रहे और ये खत्म ना हो. There's so much to learn.
आ जाओ, बैंगलोर आ जाओ, नहीं तो मुझे नैनीताल बुला लो.
आप आइए ना सर.
अभी तो बहुत ठंड होगी.
जी सर. बहुत ही अच्छी क्लासेस सर. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. एंड नोइंग यू, आई रियली वांट टू नो यू मोर एंड मोर. यू नो, एज अ थेरेपिस्ट, कुछ भी सर, एनीथिंग विद यू, आई वुड रियली डेफिनेटली वांट.
अब तो जुड़ गए हैं ना, तो मौका ही मिलेगा मिलने का, बात करने का. अब क्या है.
Thank you, sir. Deeply grateful to you. It was a wonderful, wonderful journey.
Thank you so much for joining me and joining us. And जसपाल जी बाकी हैं.
Yes, sir. पता नहीं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ सर, but definitely when Bashfla therapy बहुत time से I think it was there in my mind. I just wanted to learn it. But कहीं ना कहीं रुक जाती थी. But when I contacted you last year, उस दिन से तो I was sure कि I'm going to do it, learn this thing and everything. And बीच में काफी hurdles भी आए and they stopped me. But still, something in my mind was saying, don't say no to this because you know there's a calling for you in this, and with you, sir. So that's why this time I posed myself and thank to you again, reminding me again and again that maybe I'll miss to join this batch. So I joined this and I'm really amazed. It's so wonderful, the whole 6 days. And really, as our colleagues, my colleagues and friends, they have said that they're going to miss it. Same with I know I'm going to miss this class because I'm going to, I'll wait tomorrow. Okay, 6 o'clock, I'll have to do something. And the whole day, preparing for the class and just cramming in Murki, which, the flower essence is what and all. So still I'm struggling with it and hopefully fingers crossed and I'll make it to it. So my gratitude, sir, for such a wonderful class that we had during last 6 days. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so those who are going to miss the class, good news is that every Saturday I have a darbar. That darbar is called AMA. Aarti has attended some of these, and I think Hema also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you're all invited to join me every Saturday. I invite people and I tell them what is the timing. So what I will do is I'll send the link of the WhatsApp group. You can add yourself there, and you will get to have the Zoom invite in advance. And nowadays we have AMAs or Ask Me Anything sessions, which are topical. So every time we pick up one topic and people bring their cases and we discuss those cases and we arrive at certain approaches. So one wonderful way of staying connected and seeing each other and saying hello to each other is the AMA. Besides, of course, being a part of the support group. And there is this Facebook group. You can always come. It's your group. You can share whatever you want. You can bring in cases. You can talk about yourself. You can share your insights. You can share your success stories, whatever. Okay? So this is, as I said, the beginning of the journey, beginning of a relationship, and beginning of the extended family, another extended family. Every time there's a batch, there's a new family that we start. I know. And I feel so good about it because I love families. So you all have all the best, a great life ahead, a great weekend ahead, and a great year ahead. So God bless you, and we'll see you very soon in a different forum.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
And thanks to all the participants. It was nice knowing them, getting to know them. Thanks all.
Same.